Welcome to the new course on SAP Project System Implementation Processes. So, who can benefit from this course is fresh graduates, postgraduates, engineers, or any professional who want to start their career in SAP Project Systems. So, in this course, we are going to cover how the implementation is performed. So, we are going to discuss the SAP Activate methodology. Using SAP Activate methodology, how the implementations are now being, implemented. So we'll discuss each phase, what is discover phase, and what are the documents required, what is prepare phase, and what is explore phase, what is realize phase, what is deploy phase, and what is run phase. So we will discuss each phase in detail, as well as we'll discuss what are the discussions and what are the business processes you need to record in each of the phase. So this course is designed in that way so that any fresher or any consultant who want to understand from end to end how is the implementation carried out, so and what are the responsibilities of a consultant which he need to focus on, as well as here we are going to discuss the business blueprint. So in business blueprint we will be discussing how to create a business blueprint, how to perform a requirement gathering, or how to conduct the business process master list workshop. So we will be discussing that in detail, as well as nowadays some companies that they are calling a requirement gathering session. Like before, it used to be called as is session or a requirement gathering session. Now it is called as fit to standard workshop, as well as fit gap analysis workshop. So here consultant will understand the current business of the company, and he will show what are the standards transactions SAP is having and how it can be covered, as well as how to overcome the gap. Whatever SAP standard is not covering the current process of the company and how that can be achieved will be discussed in detail. So we will be discussing that. So majorly we will be discussing what are the phases, as well as what are the responsibilities and what are the documents a consultant needs to prepare during each phase. So also we'll discuss the business blueprint, then will come once the business blueprint is finalized, then we'll discuss how to create the KDS document, key data structure document. So in this, all the processes as well as the configurations are recorded about the company. So I have one sample of the construction company. This is in Saudi Arabia. So we'll discuss as a sample, or you can say as a dummy project template. So here we will discuss what is their business. So basically their business is construction, as well as maintenance of maintenance of building, maintenance of plants. So this kind of business they have, as well as they are constructing drainage systems, pump stations, irrigation solutions, industrial water, wastewater solutions. So their business is in that basically their business in this stream of the industry. So we will see how project structure is created, and what are the WBSs. So as well as what are the activities they will be having also. So we'll discuss that. So to create a project, there are some prerequisites and configurations which need to be performed. So this is this is for consultant perspective. First is a project profile, then user profile, then WBS scheduling profile, and network profile, and planning profile, as well as budget profile and settlement profile. So we will be discussing all in this detail. Then we'll discuss what are the project types, what is a network order, what is network profile, and order category, what is an order category, then what are milestones. So we'll discuss this. Then there is user status, what are the system status at the project level, as well as what are the user status at the project level, and what is the enhancement tab, which why it is used. So we will be discussing this. Okay. Then also we will be discussing the transactions which are going to be used by the company. That is a user manual basically. So we'll discuss the user manual of we'll discuss the manual. Uh, what are the processes and what is the end user process? Okay, apart from the configuration. So what responsibilities a user will be having? A core user, you can say, business user, you can say, end user, you can say. So with perspective to that, what training manual has to be prepared, we will discuss that, as well as we'll discuss the processes, so that the end user will have a clear understanding. Also, it is consultant need to prepare this, so we'll understand how to prepare this. Okay, so this is it. So we will covering the activate methodology and phases, as well as we will be covering the what are the documents required for prepare phase, what are the documents required for explore phase and realize phase and deploy phase. Okay, see you in the course. Thank you.